Let me tell you something. We almost cried together. When she realized she passed, tears were in her eyes and in my eyes, and she could drive in 24 hours. The information had to be turned into the state. That changed her life because she was working 30 hours. Her grandmother had to take her. I believe she might be living with grandma. I don't know the situation. I'm not going to judge. But she was living with grandma. And because of this, you saw me look, I'm going to get into the left turn lane. I'm going to squeeze my brakes. I'm waiting for a gap. Here's my gap. And I'm going to go in smooth by the double yellow. See how smooth that is? And that's what I want. So she had an opportunity, and we did some practice sessions, parallel park, merge on the expressway, blind spot checks, driving through the neighborhood, really making good tight right turns, tight left turns in the nearest lane. She still had some errors, going in the wrong lane, maybe going a little bit under speed, maybe could do a little better of blind spot checks. I have to be critical. I'm her instructor. I want her to live and be a good driver. So she did those things and she passed. You notice how I'm squeezing my brakes?